Do you feel that no matter how much you try, your English is not improving? You learn grammar, you memorize vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, your mind goes blank. What if I tell you you don't need to study English to learn English? Sounds strange, right? But today I'll show you a simple way to start learning English, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is not just an English learning channel. This is a place where you train your mind, build your confidence, and slowly transform your life. So if you really want to improve your English without pressure, without boring grammar rules, stay with me till the end. So today's topic is how to start learning English the smart way. Not the hard way, not the traditional way, but a way that actually works. Let me tell you something honestly. Most people fail to learn English because they are doing the wrong thing. They focus too much on grammar, too much on rules, and too little on listening. But think about it. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar first? No, you listened. Again and again. That's the secret. Listening is the foundation. If your listening is strong, your speaking will automatically improve. But here is something most people don't realize. Listening is not just about hearing words. It's about training your brain. At the beginning, your brain feels confused. You hear English, but it sounds too fast, too unclear. And you think, I don't understand anything. But that's normal. That's exactly how learning starts. Your brain is slowly adjusting. It's learning new sounds, new patterns, new rhythm. And if you stay consistent, one day, you will notice something surprising. You start catching words, then sentences, and then you start understanding without translating. That's the moment your real learning begins. Now let's do something different. Not just listening, let's practice together, right now. Don't skip this part. This is where real learning starts. I will say a sentence. You listen carefully, and then repeat with me. Ready? Let's begin. Listen. I am learning English every day. Now repeat with me. I am learning English every day. Again. I am learning English every day. Good. Now next one. Listen. I don't need to be perfect. Repeat. I don't need to be perfect. Again. I don't need to be perfect. Now one more. Listen. I just need to stay consistent. Repeat. I just need to stay consistent. Again. I just need to stay consistent. Now notice something. At the beginning, it may feel slow. It may feel uncomfortable. But this is exactly how your brain learns, not by thinking, but by doing. Most people wait to feel confident before they speak. But that's a mistake. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Then confidence follows. So don't wait to feel ready. Start speaking even if your voice is not perfect, even if your pronunciation is not clear. Because every time you speak, you are training your brain to improve. And one day, without even realizing, you will speak a sentence without stopping, without translating, without fear. And that moment will change everything. So don't quit too early. Most people quit just before improvement starts. Now here is what you need to do. Step 1. Every day, listen to English for just 10 minutes. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just 10 minutes, but with full focus. Step 2. Don't try to understand everything. Yes, that's important. You don't need every word. Just listen and let your brain get familiar with the sound. Step 3. Use the shadowing technique. If you're thinking, is this really enough? Let me be clear, yes, but only if you actually do it. Watching videos won't change your English. Practicing with videos will. So don't just watch this. Use this every single day. Listen and speak at the same time, not after, at the same time. Even if it feels difficult, even if you make mistakes, keep going, because improvement comes from action, not perfection. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you started learning English and then stopped? Maybe after a few days, maybe after a week. This is the real problem, not your ability, but your consistency. You start with motivation, but you don't continue. And without consistency, nothing works. So this time, don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Even if you feel lazy, do it. Even if you don't understand, do it. Even if you make mistakes, do it. Because small daily effort is more powerful than big one-time effort. And trust me, if you stay consistent for just 30 days, you will see a difference. Now let me ask you something. What is more important in the beginning? A. Learning grammar rules. B. Listening daily. Think about it. Now let's talk about this channel. This channel is different. Here, we don't focus on heavy grammar. We don't overload you with rules. Instead, we train your ears, your mind, and your confidence. Every video will be around 10 to 15 minutes. And in those minutes, you will listen, repeat, understand, and grow. And not just in English, you will also learn about success mindset, good habits, self-improvement, confidence, real-life thinking. Because learning English alone is not enough. You need growth in life too. And here we do both. So remember this, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. Even 10 minutes a day can change your English. And slowly, it can change your life. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself. Just focus on your progress. One step at a time. That's how real improvement happens. The correct answer is B. Listening daily. Because listening builds the base. Grammar comes later. Before we finish, let's quickly look at some useful words. These will help you understand and speak better. Foundation, a strong base. Familiar, something you recognize. Technique, a method of doing something. Consistency, doing something regularly. Improvement, getting better over time. If you are serious about improving your English, start today. Just 10 minutes. And I'll guide you step by step. There's more waiting for you on this channel. And if you'd like to keep learning this way, you can like this video and subscribe for more. Take your time, explore another story, and keep improving your English one step at a time. Subscribe, and let's grow together. See you in the next video.